Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Garmin Vivoactive Force. To power on your device, simply press and hold the top right button for about 2 seconds. Once on, navigate through menus by swiping up or down on the touchscreen. Tap to select options. For quick access to controls like Garmin Pay or Do Not Disturb, hold the bottom right button. It's quite intuitive once you get the hang of it. Starting an activity is straightforward. Press the top right button, then scroll and select your desired sport from over 20 preloaded options. During your workout, you can view real-time metrics such as your heart rate, distance covered, and current pace. To finish, press the top right button again and choose to either save or discard your activity. This ensures all your efforts are recorded. Your Vivoactive Force keeps you connected. You'll receive smart notifications for incoming calls, text messages, and app alerts directly on your wrist, so you never miss an important update. You can also control music playback from your phone or stored music, and even make secure, contactless payments using Garmin Pay. Personalize your experience by customizing watch faces and data fields through the Garmin Connect app. Beyond activities, your watch is a powerful health monitor. It continuously tracks your heart rate, pulse ox, body battery energy levels, and stress throughout the day. You'll also gain insights into your sleep quality by tracking sleep stages. With up to 7 days of battery life in smartwatch mode, you have ample time to review all your detailed health statistics and trends within the Garmin Connect app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.